Hello, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I will be using non